Nevermind helps you build agents, not billing systems. Today, we'll cover the 2 key steps to monetizing your AI service: creating a payment plan and registering your AI agent. We start in the Nevermind dashboard. Head over to the Payment Plans section to define how you want to charge for your service. First, the type of plan. Paid plans are chargeable and can be purchased repeatedly. Trial plans are free and used for granting test access. Then the consumption model. Limit access by credits for per-request billing or time for unlimited access within a set duration. We'll choose credits. By default, we charge in USD via Stripe. If you want to enable programmatic purchasing using the API key, you must select USDC. USDC is a stablecoin, a digital currency, and is the route for enabling seamless crypto payments without the traditional checkout. Define the price for a credit bundle. This involves setting the amount on the currency. If you need flexibility, you can check want to set a price range per request and define a minimum and maximum number of credits to be redeemed per call. This is perfect for dynamic models where cost varies based on usage. Give the plan a clear name and save it. Now, let's go to the Agents section to register the service we want to protect. In the Endpoints section, for every route you want to protect, select the HTTP verb, post, get, delete, and add the URL. You can skip the OpenAPI URL for this setup. Fill in the agent name and the agent description. If you get a continue without validation warning once you click on register agent, don't worry, it just means Nevermind couldn't access the URL externally, but the registration will still complete. Once the agent is registered, the edit screen opens automatically. Click on Link Plans, select the payment plan we just created and click on Save. Remember, you can attach as many plans as you want just by creating them and attaching them in this screen. Our agent now has a monetization model attached. Your agent is registered and ready to be monetized. To see how to use the agent in your code base using Nevermind Payments Library to enable access control, you can look into our integration tutorials. Thanks for watching.